The VPK extension identifies a Valve pack file containing packaged game content for Valve Source Engine games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you extract, create, or troubleshoot these game content package files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful VPK. Troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. VPK files are content package files for Valve's Source Engine used in games including Dota 2, Counter-Strike Go, Team Fortress 2, and Left 4 Dead. They contain packaged game assets including models, textures, sounds, and scripts for efficient content distribution and loading. Valve VPK files use a binary format with a directory file, jots.dar.vpk containing the file index, and multiple numbered archive files containing the actual asset data. The directory maps file names to archive offsets, enabling fast random access content loading. The VPK proprietary design mandates association with Valve's theme from Valve Corporation. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows cannot open script or data files used by engines, so specialized tools must interpret them. This is the first step toward access. Right-click your VPK file, then select Open with. Try Valve's theme if you have it. If not, select any program from the list. The goal is to find one that reads the format. If your VPK file will not open, do not worry. The highly specific nature of the VPK file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, extracting assets. Use GCFScape to browse and extract files from VPK archives. Open the dir.apk file to view the complete content hierarchy. Select files or directories for extraction to access game models, textures, sounds, and other assets for modding or inspection. Next, creating custom VPK. Use Valve's VPKexe command line tool included with Source SDK to create custom VPK packages from folders of game assets. Run VPKexe folder name to package the folder contents. Place custom VPK files in the game's custom directory for non-destructive modding. Finally, managing game content. VPK files are managed by Steam and game updates. Do not modify original VPK files as Steam verifies file integrity. Place custom content in the game's custom folder hierarchy, where it overrides base VPK content without modifying the original game packages. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.